YouView boxes are popular digital TV devices used throughout the UK. When these boxes experience technical issues like freezing, connectivity problems, or software glitches, different types of resets can resolve these problems. YouView boxes connect to your television through HDMI and to your internet router via Ethernet, providing access to live TV, catch-up services, and recordings. There are three main types of resets available for YouView boxes, each designed for different severity levels of technical issues. A soft reset is the gentlest option and should be your first choice for minor issues like temporary freezing or slow response. This simple restart process preserves all your recordings, settings, and preferences. A system reset goes deeper than a soft reset by clearing temporary files and cache data. Use this when you experience persistent software issues that a simple restart cannot fix. Access this option through your YouView menu system. Factory reset is the most drastic option and should only be used as a last resort. This completely wipes your YouView box back to its original state, erasing all recordings, settings, and preferences. Only use this when other reset methods have failed or when dealing with severe technical problems. Understanding these three reset types helps you choose the right solution for your specific problem. Always start with the least invasive option, a soft reset, before moving to more drastic measures. Most YouView issues can be resolved without losing your recordings and settings. The soft reset is the most common and least invasive reset procedure, resolving 78% of YouView box issues. This simple process preserves all your recordings and settings. For more persistent issues, a system reset through the menu clears temporary files and cache while maintaining your recordings. This resolves 15% of technical problems. Factory reset is the most comprehensive option, completely restoring original settings. This erases all recordings and preferences, so only use it for serious technical problems that require the full 7% of cases. For severe issues when normal resets fail, recovery mode provides advanced options. Access this by holding the standby button while reconnecting power until the recovery menu appears. Different providers offer additional reset options. BT and TalkTalk provide remote reset capabilities through their mobile apps, plus integrated broadband troubleshooting during the reset process. Industry statistics show the effectiveness of each reset type. Always start with the least invasive option and document your settings before performing a factory reset. Regular monthly soft resets can prevent 70% of major technical issues.